In this video, we listed the top 5 best trackball mouse that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Logitech Trackman Marble Trackball Mouse. The Logitech Trackman Marble Trackball is a unique and highly ergonomic pointing device designed for users who spend long hours working on a computer. Unlike traditional mice, this trackball stays in one place, allowing you to control the cursor by simply rolling the large trackball with your fingers, which helps reduce arm and wrist movement. Its ambidextrous design makes it comfortable for both right and left-handed users. The mouse features 4 programmable buttons, including convenient back and forward controls that make web browsing and document navigation much easier. Thanks to its plug-and-play USB and PS/2 connectivity, setup is quick and hassle-free without requiring complicated installation. Logitech's reliable optical tracking technology ensures smooth and precise cursor control, while the durable build quality reflects the brand's long-standing reputation in computer peripherals. Whether you're working, browsing, or multitasking, the Logitech Trackman Marble offers excellent comfort, accuracy, and productivity, making it a great choice for users seeking an alternative to a conventional mouse. Number 2. Logitech MX Ergo S Trackball Mouse. This ergonomic trackball mouse is designed for comfortable all-day use, reducing wrist and arm movement for a more natural working experience. With 8 programmable buttons and precise trackball control, it helps improve productivity and navigation. The rechargeable battery adds convenience, while the sleek design makes it a great choice for both work and everyday computing. Its responsive performance ensures smooth cursor movement, making tasks easier and more efficient. Whether you're working, browsing, or multitasking, this mouse delivers a comfortable and reliable user experience. Number 3. SABLUTE MEM1 Pro Ergonomic Wireless Trackball Mouse. The SABLUTE wireless trackball mouse combines ergonomic comfort with precise thumb control. Its adjustable 18-degree tilt design helps reduce wrist strain, while Bluetooth and 2.4G connectivity allows seamless switching between up to 3 devices. With quiet clicks, adjustable DPI up to 4,800, and a rechargeable USB-C battery, it's an excellent choice for work, productivity, and everyday use. Number 4. TECKNET Pro Wireless Trackball Mouse. If you're looking for a comfortable and ergonomic trackball mouse, this wireless model is definitely worth considering. Its precise, thumb-operated trackball lets you control the cursor with minimal hand movement, making it perfect for small workspaces. The unique 16-degree vertical design helps reduce wrist and forearm strain, providing greater comfort during long work sessions. With Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connectivity, you can connect up to 3 devices and switch between them instantly. The built-in 500 mAh rechargeable battery offers excellent battery life, while the adjustable DPI settings ensure smooth and accurate tracking. Designed especially for medium to large hands, this trackball mouse is a great choice for productivity, office work, and everyday computing. Number 5. Logitech Wireless Ergonomic Trackball Mouse. Looking for a reliable wireless mouse? The Logitech 910-007026 delivers comfort, precision, and long battery life in one ergonomic design. With up to 2000 DPI sensitivity, smooth optical tracking, and compatibility with Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS devices, it's perfect for work, study, and everyday use. The wireless connection offers freedom of movement up to 32 feet, while the single AA battery can last up to 18 months.